the teacher mom, and today I'm going to teach you all the curves in cursive. So let's begin. First is the undercurve. It starts at the bottom, goes way up, slants towards your right. Second is the down curve, which starts at the top and goes down. Third is the over curve, which starts at the bottom and curves up. Fourth is the slant. It's just like the stroke in your manuscript. Then is the loop. And the last one is the connector. So let's practice one more time. You have the names right here. Undercurve, down curve, over curve, slant, loop, and the connector. Keep practicing one line of each of the curves and we can start our letter soon. Bye. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to my channel.